Imagine a flower that changes its color not by magic, but through science. Sounds interesting, right? This isn't a fairy tale. It's an everyday phenomenon in the world of botany. Flowers like hydrangeas can shift their hues, all thanks to the pH level of the soil they're planted in. It's a fascinating dance of chemistry and nature, one that turns a garden into a dynamic palette. So the question is, how does the pH level of soil change the color of flowers? To understand this magical transformation, we need to delve into the world of soil chemistry. Let's start by understanding what soil pH is. pH is a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of the soil. It's a scale that ranges from 1, which is very acidic, to 14, which is very alkaline. Right in the middle at 7, we have neutral soil. Now, why does this matter, you might wonder? Well, the pH level of the soil directly impacts the availability of nutrients. In overly acidic or alkaline soils, essential nutrients can become less accessible for plants, inhibiting their growth and overall health. For instance, at lower pH levels, elements like phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium become less available. On the other hand, at higher pH levels, elements like iron, manganese, and zinc can become deficient. Now that we understand soil pH, how does this relate to our color-changing flowers? The secret lies in a group of pigments known as anthocyanins. These pigments are responsible for the vibrant hues we see in many fruits, vegetables, and notably flowers. But what's truly fascinating is how these pigments react to the pH level of the soil they're planted in, leading to a visible color change. Let's take the example of hydrangea flowers. These botanical beauties have a unique characteristic. Their color alters based on soil pH. In acidic soil, with a pH less than 7, hydrangeas take on a stunning blue shade. However, when planted in alkaline soil, with a pH greater than 7, these same hydrangeas transform to a delightful pink. This color change is all thanks to the anthocyanins reacting differently to varying soil pH levels. So the next time you see a hydrangea changing its color, remember, it's not magic, it's science. And isn't it fascinating how a simple change in soil pH can create such a dramatic transformation? So, soil pH doesn't just affect nutrient availability, but also the very colors we perceive in nature. This magic trick is all about the delicate dance between soil pH, nutrients, and anthocyanins, the pigments that paint our flowers. Soil pH can swing the spectrum of these pigments, weaving a world of color. From the subtle blush of a petal to the vibrant hues of a blossom, each is a testament to the power of pH. The next time you see a flower, remember, its color might just be a reflection of the soil beneath it.